package. I have this, I'm connected up with the post office and UPS and now FedEx, so they tell me when things are being shipped and where they are and when they arrive. So I could see that I was getting a multi-tool, and I'm thinking, I didn't order a multi-tool. So when I open it, then I realize, okay, this is the Gerber Vise multi-tool, they're calling it now. But I had the earlier version of this, and something jammed, and I sent it back, and they sent me a new one. Rather than repair that one, probably it's easier for them in certain cases just to replace it. It's always funny when you need a knife to open a knife package, but it's like this really strong, oh, maybe it isn't in the back, really strong blister packing. The idea is to prevent theft. If you can get it open real easily, someone could open it in a store, take the tool up, take the item out of the wrapping, and hang the thing back up. Now, if you don't believe that can happen, we saw it. And, you know, we let the people know. Okay, so here's what's now, instead of it being called, gee, I forget whether it was the Gerber dime or what, it's now this. And I can tell you right off, it's quite different from the point of view that the outside scales appear to be some kind of composite material. Doesn't that sound better than plastic? You know, it's spring, which is great. And then the tools are all on the outside. So we've got a little serrated blade. We've got on the other side, well, no, the same size, but other side of the tool, I guess, we have a straight edge. There's supposed to be 10 tools. Then we have a small screwdriver. We have the, this is funny. It's got a second piece to it there. I'll do a close-up photo of this too so you can look at it. What in the world is that thing? Okay, this wasn't on the original. I'm thinking Gerber dime, what it was called before, but I could be wrong. It's got a medium flat head driver. Okay, that's that, and it's a bottle opener too. Oh, so they want to have one more than one point on the cap to open the bottle. That makes sense, because you couldn't use a separate one here for much of anything. These tools don't lock, but they're fairly, at least in a new one, they're fairly tight. So we've got that, and we've got the we've got a little file here that's a combination tool. It's got the kind of the flat Phillips screwdriver, which those can work good sometimes, and other times they don't work at all. And they've got 2 grades of files on the other side. Let's see what else we forgot. Oh, okay. What else have we got? We've got some other things in here. Did we get it here? Fine edge blade, serrated blade, lanyard hole, needle nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutters. They're of course all in the pliers here. You've got pliers that kind of are needle nose. This part is kind of like needle nose. The small part is kind of like pliers for something small. And then the bottommost part here, that's what they're calling the wire cutters. Then we got a medium flat head driver, bottle opener, Phillips head driver, the file, 2-sided file, small flathead head driver. So we've got that. So that's kind of neat. I mean, you know, there were times when this is the Leatherman Wave Plus in black, and there are times when this is just too big, you know, or maybe you're, you know, I carry this in a case on my belt, but this you could have in your pocket or somewhere, or you know, it's less obtrusive. It's not as easy to see. So you know, this could be on your keychain even. Like my keychain, to take some things off because there's so much stuff on it. But there we have the new, at least new to me, Gerber Vise multi-tool. 10 tools, very small and compact, a little stiff, but like I say, they have a different oils, of course, to lubricate it with, and I actually have some, believe it or not, I have a little vial of the oil that Swiss Army knife sells. I was getting some parts, and I decided to get that with it because, you know, the shipping cost is quite large, so you wouldn't order some little thing and pay almost as much for the shipping. So anyway, neat. We'll be using this, and we'll be giving you little updates as we do. You know, I'm using the black one now because I've got to clean out my silver one, and so we get this one for now. I'd like to see about sharpening the silver one too as well, but that's in the future.